Welcome to Fun Cruise Lab. This is Akshay. So I'm finally back with my new video. I'm really sorry. It's been a long time that I have not uploaded my video because, as you guys know, that my schedule is so busy. But once again, I'm back with my new video, and let's get started with a few updates. Alright, so as you guys know that our ship Oasis of the Seas, we were doing the New York itinerary, but right now we are on back to the Miami now, and so we are doing right now is Miami itinerary. So right now we are doing Thanksgiving cruise. Lots of people were waiting for this cruise, and finally we are here. For this cruise we have around 3,800 guests, supposed to be 4,100, but you know, last moment cancellations, so therefore unfortunately we have less than 4,000 guests. But no need to worry, we as you guys know that the Oasis is the only class ship that is holding more than 2,000 guests, and a majority of the guests is on this ship. So everything is going so far so good. Recently we have done so many cruises which were around 4,000 capacity, 4,000 plus capacity, and soon I think that we're gonna hit 5,000 as well, because I heard a lot of bookings in the December is already full booked, and I heard that lots of bookings have already been made for the December cruise. Lots of people are excited to come back on this ship. Just wanted to tell you guys that how's everything, things are working on board right now. Everything is so far so good. Luckily there is no COVID cases on board, and everything is going really well. We are doing really well. Everything looks like everything is getting back to the normal, and before it was 2,500 guests. We have started slowly numbers were getting increased from 2,500 to 2,800, then 300, then 300, 3,500, and now finally we have touched 4,000. So that's a very good thing for the cruising, and cruising industry is back. As you guys can see that I am wearing a nice t-shirt, Oasis of the Seas, our royal welcome back. So don't need to worry guys, everything is getting back to the normal. And regarding for the crew members who are working on board, I just wanted to tell you guys, just don't worry. I heard that plenty people are getting their LOEs, getting their contract as soon as possible, and then people are signing on. So it's been 5 months for me already on board, and only few months left for me to go home. So I think around maybe 2 months left for me. So I will enjoy my contract remaining, and we already start up with the sign off process. People are already, they came back with me on board, and then people are already signing off now in the month of December, and then we having a sign off in the month of January. Also I heard that the CDC has approved that in the month of next year, so in the next year, I don't know which month, but in the next year, soon the CDC has approved. Soon the CDC have approved that the ships can be fully run on the full occupancy. So if the crew members who are worried about the contract and is worried about the cruise industry, how is it gonna be? So don't need to worry. Next year everything gonna be fine. All the ships are gonna open, and then hope for the best that everything back to normal. So this cruise is for 7 days itinerary. We are doing Coco Cay and St. Thomas, which is the Virgin Island of the US, and St. Martin. So these are the 3 ports we are doing. Coco Cay we can go out, but St. Thomas and St. Martin crew member is not allowed to go outside. Only there is a tour is arranged for the crew members. If you are a crew member and if you are wondering that in this COVID situation how can we go outside, do we getting chance to go outside, crew members are allowed to go outside. So here is the thing that you can go outside, but there is a crew member have to book the tour. That HR center, they are giving a tickets for everybody. As you guys see in my videos, previous videos, that I'm going out with the ticket. $10 you have to pay for that, and you can go out. The limited tickets are available, but and they're gonna give us a limited time that in this time you have to go. They're gonna arrange a bus for you guys. You can go through that bus. You can just go outside. Maybe in San Martin they are arranging a tour for the beach. I'm really sorry that I forget the name of that beach. You have to go there. The bus gonna leave you there for a few hours, and then you have to come back with a certain period of time. Regarding the buying, doing the shopping, how you guys must be wondering that if you want to do shopping outside, how you go. Same thing goes with that. There are two tickets available. One is for the tour, second is for the shopping. If you don't know guys, watch my previous video, you will come to know how the things are working. Also regarding the internet, as you guys know that crew members, everybody is not allowed to go outside. So Royal Caribbean, they have arranged free Wi-Fi for everybody. You can 24 hours you can free Wi-Fi is there, but only WhatsApp messaging is there. You can only message through WhatsApp. Is free for everybody, and every day 1 hour internet is free for calling. So every day you can do calling, but only for 1 hour you can use the internet. You can either use the Facebook, WhatsApp, or whichever social media you like, and 24/7 you have WhatsApp open. So I think that's the good thing that Royal Caribbean is doing. I'm really happy that Royal Caribbean is thinking such a good thing about the crew members, that we cannot go outside. So this is what Royal Caribbean is doing their best to make the crew member more happy. So thank you so much Royal Caribbean for that. So as you guys know that it's not possible for me to upload my videos all the time. I cannot promise you that when I'm gonna upload my next video. As soon as I get the time, I will try to come up with more updates regarding the cruising. So right now my schedule is so busy. You guys can see that I'm losing my weight also as usual. So whenever I come on board, I always tend to lose my weight due to the busy schedule. Let's end this video over here only. I will see you guys in the next video. So keep watching my channel for more updates. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.